Your first house, you have a lot going on with moving in, perhaps buying some furniture, hosting your first party at the house, and getting used to those mortgage payments. With all the excitement, it's easy to overlook the routine home maintenance, especially when you've never had to tackle these types of tasks before. So to keep things from getting overwhelming, I've created this home maintenance guide for first-time homeowners. And do not worry, most of these tasks just take a few minutes or a quick call to a trusted pro. Take a deep breath and dive in to the 4 home maintenance to-dos that you will need to handle in the first year buying a home. Hi, my name is Billy Bryson with Bryson Team Real Estate and Home Loans. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Also, if you or anyone you know is considering investing in real estate, making a move, or refinancing, please give me a call, 562-248-6161. Pass on my number, or you can visit my website at brysonteam.com for free, helpful real estate and loan information. So here are 4 home maintenance to-dos that you will need to handle in the first year of buying a home. Number 1 is check your furnace and your HVAC filters. Who knows what dust and grime that previous owners or construction crews might have left behind. Clogged filters make heating and cooling systems run less efficiently, waste more energy, and cost you more money. They can also trap harmful pollutants and allergens that you do not want lurking around your home. Number 2, recock your windows. 80% of winter heat loss occurs from cracks in a home. Sealing the spaces around the windows goes a long ways towards solving this problem. You can choose the right caulk the first time. You will not have to recock the following season. You can do this as needed. So just inspect your caulking around the windows at the end of every summer so you can touch up any damaged caulking while the weather is still dry. Number 3, check your crawl space for any water. You want to avoid mold and any water damage to the bones of the property. It's as simple as grabbing a flashlight, crawling in there, and taking a close look. Pay attention to the corners, edges, and changes in color, and maybe use your fingers to test for dampness if you're not sure. If you find any water, call a home inspector immediately to figure out what it is coming from. I recommend that you do this every fall before it rains. The key is to fix existing water damage before any more water gets in. Number 4, last, check and touch up exterior paint. Besides contributing to curb appeal, paint and stain serve as an important protectant, preventing your gutters from rusting and wood siding from rotting. Walk around your home, get up on a ladder if needed, look for chipping, peeling, blistering, or cracking paint, including the trim, and just touch things up. This could just mean sanding, scraping, painting, priming, repainting small areas. But if you see a widespread area of damage, it might be wise to repaint the whole thing, but I would recommend you do this one every summer. Once again, my name is Billy Bryson with Bryson Team Real Estate and Home Loans, and if you or anyone you know is considering investing, making a move, or refinancing, give me a call, 562-248-6161. You can pass on my number, or you can visit my website at brysonteam.com for free, helpful real estate and loan information. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.